Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about our level 1 chargers, especially for the new owners. So you'll get this for free, but when you plug it in, you'll notice that default setting is at 6. So this is the way you adjust this setting. At 6 it's too low. So all you do is press the button, watch it blink, and keep pressing it. See, it goes to 8, 10, 12, which is the right setting, and then press and hold. Once it starts blinking fast, you'll let go, and there you go. It's set now on 12. So that's the right setting you want to do if you want to use your level 1 charger. Alright, like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.